landed at Haman. How was the trip?
Very
Ganda.
nice.
Yes.
I don't want to get off the plane.
Oh,
Yeah.
pabalik na siya dun.
Gusto ko balik pa ulit, tapos pabalik na lang ulit ng Qatar. Kasi hindi ko na-enjoy yung TV kasi nakatulog ako.
Where's P? Ay, oo, malayo yung P eh. Let's go. First sector done. Let's go. Top time. Come back. Chami. Transfer to T4, but we're going to T1. So we need to clear immigration and get the bags. Yes, so we're back here again in Singapore just for transit. So we're moving to Terminal 1, so we have to clean the bags and clear the immigration. Ang galing, di ba, yung immigration?
Yeah.
They can detect the passport and then
Translate.
translate to your language. And then, we just have to take the bus again to T1. So maybe you will see
Oh!
the jewel because it's in front. Practice yarn. Yay! My bag is here. Let's go. So efficient So by 8:45 8:45 sorry 7:45. Let's go. By 8 nandun na tayo sa T1. Amazing. Wow. Ano tawag dito? SG
The DC.
SG professional. Always here. Terminal 1 and Jewel. Alright, so still 8 in the morning and they allow us to unload because it's not very full. So hopefully we get the seats because I actually want to buy OPI and Charles and kung meron, but actually I saw the wallet in T4 last time, but I think if they have the stocks here, excited! Wow, first time. How do you feel? 3:50 ata to we will see which aircraft. Yee! Kaya pa? Hashtag cabin crew life.
Hashtag Eric Torres.
Okay. What's gate number? Oh, check.
Gate number D34.
Let's go. Terminal 1. I miss Terminal 1 but we don't have so much time. Sayang. Can't go to Charles and Keith. Yay. Finally. Hello. How was it? All good, right? Emirates and Qatar boarding. Antok na yan. How is your seat? Okay. So happy. Did you get? And headset. Yee! O, tingnan mo nga what's inside. Oh, meron ka ng bagong socks, eye mask, earplugs, I think have also. We have to listen to safety demo. Seatbelt ah. Grabe, I missed it. So happy. Yan. Let's see if they have a lot of movies. You can use either this. Ayan, press mo yan. Or touchscreen also. Oh, baby is crying. So 7 hours. Yes. The touchscreen it's so responsive. Ano kaya movie natin? That Hollywood can. Happy yan? So after we eat, you can sleep. Kaya walay na tayo ng kwarto. Then, later again. Wow, nagsarado na siya ng kanyang So you can type there in the keyboard. You know why? Can I see? I think this one. No, it doesn't have. Yes, you can pay.
Yes, you can play.
Some you can use it as a phone. You can pay using your credit card and call someone. That's why it's like this. What are you watching?
Infinity War, Avengers.
Waiting for food. Actually, they're already serving. What are you going to have? Depends. What is your drinks? Coffee. Ay, wala pa atang tea coffee sa unang after meal pa siya. Hilahin mo ulit. And then, balik mo. Yeah. Yes. So, lab check tayo. Parang okay naman. Grabe siya. Baka naman ibang aircraft lang yun. So, still standards inside and they have the EDT. So, yan. Rooming check. Char. Ano ba to? Brunch. Brunch service. Then sleep. Then, welcome to Doha. First service, bar service. So, what did you order? Mango, sure ba yan? Wala bang alcohol yan? Char. And they have salted nuts while watching movie and waiting for the meal. It's a prank. It's a prank. I'm not sure it's crackers. Usually these are so big peanuts, but they don't. So let's try. It's like Christie's, I think. Wow. And I ordered apples. Okay, so first in-flight food of Ate LJ. What is that?
Rice noodles and beef.
Ito yun.
Yeah, beef.
This is the rice noodle.
Rice noodles. Where's the
Noodles,
And then
oo.
there's also
Salad yan. Salad.
salad, bread,
Bread.
leche plan.
Dessert.
That's
Okay. And do you have any condiments? Like what's inside the white?
Here is the knife, the fork, spoon, and then yung kanina is yung salt,
Okay.
bread,
Okay, you try. Let's see la.
cold water.
You didn't take anything else to drink. That's it. You didn't like mango.
Don't
Okay. Is it hot? That one. Wow, nice.
It's like tinapay.
Ngek, ngek, ngek. Good. Oh, you tried the noodles. Pag masarap, penge ah. Because the other option is chicken with potatoes and we don't like it without the rice. Is it good? Oo nga, mukhang masarap. So I will also try mine. My end, I have my water, chilled, nice. You have the refreshing towel. Oh, also chilled. Nice. We have the cutlery set. The dessert looks nice, nice packaging and hardware. Something. And I chose the spaghetti with coconut something. So for drinks, as much as I wanted to have the champagne, I have my child with me. She got parental guidance, so I just took the Coca-Cola. And of course, we have the bread. It's warm. So nice. Let's try it. Hey, I think I didn't make a mistake. I love it. Let's try. Ano yan?
Tastes like pan de coco.
Kapatid kong weirdo. Carbs Good luck sa gym. Oy, mag-gym ka ha.
Coconut. Tastes like coconut. Like fried coconut pan de coco.
Okay, so first we try the pasta. Ba't lasa ng pasta?
Kakaiba siya.
Kakaiba. water. I still have water. But it's okay. Morning, guys. Second service. And almost there. Almost.
Please. Ay, smells good. Ay.
Taste agad. Did you sleep well? So comfy, right? Good? Oh, diba? 2 sugar. Knowing you. 2 milk, 2 sugar. Nice sleep. Thank you.
Slept for like 6 hours.
Oo, 6 hours. The flight is only 7 hours long. Mga 4 hours lang. 4. Still good. Ano yun? Ano yun? Vegetarian eh.
It's like bread with potato.
Because it's vegetarian. Oh, you want to try the, no? Chicken? You want to try? Oh, you try. Ikaw
Tastes
namili.
like curry.
Chicken curry. The vegetarians like potatoes, right?
Tastes like ulan.
Ayaw mo pa naman, no? Akin na yan. Sige.
I think I'll go for the cupcake.
Okay, you try the cupcake. How about the tea? Okay? Tea is good.
Milk? Tea. Tea with milk. Like the plant-based cupcake, vegetarian.
Ano? Wala saan sinabi plant. Joke. Plant-based. Oy, nakatulog na yan. Happy na siya. Kanina na kasi mangot na eh. Ooh, chocolatey.
This one better.
Bon appetit! She doesn't like it. Let me try.
Look like it tastes like the one. It's right? Tastes like everything in the world. It's good.
Charlie 8. Yay! We have landed at Hamad. How was the trip? Ate
Very
ganda.
nice.
Yes.
I don't want to get off the plane.
Oh,
Yeah.
pabalik na siya dun.
Gusto ko balik pa ulit, tapos pabalik na lang ulit ng Qatar. Kasi hindi ko na-enjoy yung TV kasi nakatulog ako.
She slept so well because she has one row for herself. So I'm glad that we transited in Singapore because in Malaysia the flight was so full. So
Everyone was sleeping peacefully.
yeah, they
They
closed the
were
windows,
sleeping
no?
peacefully.
Okay, we will try to clear the immigration now. Hopefully it's like Singapore also, no? Whee! Excited to see the camel. Okay, so before we go down, we have to see the bear. Actually, for departure, you can take a video. You can take a photo of the big bear. This is like the Hamad. Ano ba tawag doon?
Hamad International Airport.
Hamad, nakalimutan ko. Yan yung trademark. This is the trademark of Dong. So, bye-bye! Immigration. 8. Let's go. Go. Galing mo na. 5 pa lang. 8. 1 down. Dulcie down. We're number 1 in the world. Nice. Ready. Let's go. So we'll take a trip. Oh.